Now I'm going to put the slope and the y-intercept together and write a mathematical model. In math class, it's a line equation, and they use y equals mx plus b. In science, we don't do that. We write something called a mathematical model, which uses the slope and the y-intercept in that form, which is the vertical variable is equal to the slope of the line times the horizontal variable plus the y-intercept. And we're going to substitute in what we've already solved for. That the position of the object is equal to 4.3 meters every second times the time of that object plus 1.3. What that means on my graph is that my y-intercept is at 1.3. I would buy that. It's a little bit above the 0 line. And that my slope, that for every 1 second moving over, the object has moved a total of 4.3 meters. Slope, y-intercept put together in a mathematical model. Lastly, in a mathematical model, we're going to look for 3 different aspects. We are going to look at your variables, your values, and your units. Variables. Did you replace y and x with the appropriate variables? Values. Did you calculate the slope and the y-intercept correctly? And finally, units. Do you have correct units on both your slope and your y-intercept? So after watching this video, you should be able to find the slope of any best fit line. You should be able to calculate the y-intercept. You should be able to have units on both of those. And you should be able to write a mathematical model that includes variables, values, and units.